we have a storm and it has taken my little greenhouse.
This is definitely not what it looked like yesterday when I left it. A big piece is missing. The greenhouse. It's gone.
So let's go and see if we can save the greenhouse from the storm.
It looks like I got to it just in time, and it's broken too. So I just have to take it back up before it gets any further by the wind and see if I can fix anything before next year. I think it will be sheltered and safe enough here for now. But the greenhouse is not everything the storm has taken. A lot of trees has been blown over, like this one. It fell right over the path to the little stream I used to get water from.
Do you believe in astrology? I certainly didn't, but I wanted it to be something, to know that things are connected and to have a sense of purpose and meaning. I used to say it's just bullocks. And you know why I said it? I didn't know what astrology is. And to answer if I believe in astrology, shouldn't I know what it is before I answer that? And how can I say that I don't believe in it if I don't know what it is? When I know what it is, I could perhaps answer if I believe in it and what I believe in. I decided to learn astrology. To find the right school where to learn astrology, I found that was quite a challenge, actually. As you might notice, I don't live in a capital city anywhere in the world. I live here at a small cabin in the Arctic where there's almost no people around, and certainly no, there's not a lot of astrology schools around here. I ended up on choosing London School of Astrology, and I'm very happy about that choice. I would highly recommend it if you are looking into learning some more about it as well. Just a week ago, I'd start up again after the summer on my second year. Or if I do something, I would like to do it properly. I guess now I consider astrology to be a language. And of course, with so many ways of doing astrology, I will not say that I believe in every single way. It doesn't all resonate with me. But the more I study and the more I learn, I do find things that, kind of like a new world opening up, where you can see more things are connected, and we don't know everything, and perhaps we don't need to know everything to believe in it. You know, astrology is not scientifically approved. You cannot study it like you can study mathematics, but even though it's not considered academically and scientifically proven, it has been along for so long. There's evidence that people have used astrology for hundreds and thousands of years. Thousands of years. We have looked at the sky, the stars, made notes of events, seen how it affects us here, what does have an effect and what doesn't. And there's so much wisdom in astrology. The days are getting shorter. I will have more time inside the cabin, and I would love to invite you along to learn astrology with me.